Well, my name is Russell Patterson. My property is Rowville. We're on the Mornington Peninsula and the property size is 305 acres. I'm just ramping up the stocking numbers, fattening steers. I've currently got 120 head on. The property will take double that once I sort out all the fencing, and as you see here, I've installed Te Pari Cattle Yards, which we're going to walk through, and I'll explain some of the setup. These yards will cater for 100 head. The entry laneway is opened out to both yards, so the cattle come into this area. The gates shut, and then they flow around to the Seaforce yard here, into the laneway, the race, and into the cattle crush. The race has a cattle-free zone, which was critical in my selection of the yards because of occupational health and safety of workers is paramount when you're handling cattle. This is a Seaforce control gate. It will hold 9 or 10 head depending on their size, and it's got a safety catch. It clicks in and goes around, and it can't come back on top of you, which is another key safety feature of these yards. There's the raised catwalk around the race, and it's a wide enough area that you can't safe from falling off, and the lower rail around the race enables easy access for drenching and moving cattle through the actual yards into the crush. The yards also have a Te Pari loading ramp. The Lenta crush here has weigh beams. The whole crush is on a weigh beam. It also has the electronic tag ID reader and the ability to connect to a Wi-Fi on a tablet or mobile phone for recording weights. The crush itself has multiple access doors for which allow access to vets or treatment of cattle. The head bale operates from this end. It also has an overhead access door to let out the side, and the front of the crush has drafting gates that allow three-way drafting of cattle. These handles here operate the doors at the front of the crush. An animal that's jumping around and won't settle in the crush, the manual squeeze allows you to squeeze up the animal so that they are restrained more tightly. This is a great feature, and it's I regard it as an essential feature on any crush. Occupational health and safety of workers is paramount when you're handling cattle. That was one of the key selection criteria for selecting Te Pari.